Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and today we are going to start 100 questions on SQL. So let's start. So the platform that we are going to use is called Strata Scratch. Let me quickly search. So this is a platform that we are going to use. It's the best platform if you are looking to practice questions and then get into the field of data science, data analyst, or BI analyst, and so on domains. So this is the best platform, I'll say. And once you are going to come to this platform, this is how the window looks like. You have to click on this explore coding questions here, and then it will take you on this page. So they provide so many questions, free questions, paid questions. They provide 100 free questions on different languages like which you can use to solve. That is SQL, Python, PySpark, PostgreSQL, and so on. So we are going to go with free questions. They provide 100 free questions. And we are going to first start with SQL. We will solve it in Python as well. So let's start. So how we are going to do it? So here are some filters given. MySQL is already selected. We are going to select on free questions now. Now these are the free questions with different difficulty level, medium, hard, easy. Okay. So we are going to start with the easy one. So from this filter, we are going to select easy and it will filter out easy questions. Okay. So these are the easy questions, which is here on this screen. So let's start with the first question, which is this one, the weighted salaries differences. And the company it was asked in is LinkedIn and one more. So let's see what was the other platform, like the company. So it was asked in Dropbox. So let's start. So what do we have it here? The question is, we are quickly going to jump on the question, then we will see the solution part, like we will approach the solution, how we are going to solve it. So let's start. So we have this here, that is, we have to calculate the difference between the highest salaries in the marketing and engineering departments. Output just the absolute difference in salaries. So we have two tables given here, that is, these are the two tables, DB underscore employee and DB underscore departments. Let's quickly see what we have in these two tables. So if you want to run a cell or a piece of code, you have to select the code, you have to click on run code, and it will show you the answer. So this is what we have in DB underscore employee. That is, we have ID column, first name, last name, salary, and the department ID. So here we do have department ID and a salary, but we do not know what is the name of the department. So how we are going to get the name of the department? So for that, we are going to look into the table, that is DB underscore department. So let's see what do we have in DB underscore department. I'm going to copy this, paste this, copy this, and paste this. And let's select this and run this. So here we have two columns, that is ID and the department. So what do we have? So we have one ID column in DB underscore employee, and we have another one more ID column, which is in DB underscore department. So these are two same column basically, which we are going to use to join these two tables. Okay. So if you have not read about joins, so you can watch my video on SQL. I have made a complete playlist. I will mark the like the difference to that video in this, and you can all put it in the description as well. You can look into it. Okay. So here we have department ID and the department name. And in that column, we have the salary and the department ID. So we are going to merge these two columns or join these two columns. And then we are going to have salary along with the name of the department. So how we are going to do it? Let's see. So we are going to write down select. I'm not going to write down the columns for now. Let's skip, and I'm going to write down from. We have to write name of table, which is DB underscore employee. Let's name it as E. Then we are going to write down join. DB underscore department. Let's name it as D on E dot department ID. I think in that table it was named as department ID is equal to D dot ID. Okay. Here we have to name some columns. So let's select E dot salary and D dot department. Okay, so it will select these two columns, that is salary column from the employee table and the department column from this department table. Okay, and it is going to give us these two columns in the output. See here. So we had the ID. So on the same ID, these two columns get extracted, and this is what we have right now in the output, which is for human resource we have this salary, for operation we have this salary, again for human resource we have this salary, and so on. So what do we have to do? So we have to find out the maximum salary of engineering and market, and then we have to subtract those two, right? So how we are going to find out? So let's see. We are going to write down case statement. So how we are going to write it down? Let's see. We are going to write case when T dot department is equal to marketing, then E dot salary. So what we are doing, we are mentioning here that whenever the department is marketing, extract those salary only, and we are going to write as end here. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so see, we are getting these salaries. So all these salaries belong to the marketing department. Okay, so this is what we have till now. Now, what do we want? We do not want all salary. We want only maximum salary. So here we are going to put this max. Okay, and now we are going to run. So now we have max salary of this marketing department. Okay. Similarly, we have to find out max salary of engineering department. Okay. So I'm going to put a comma. I'm going to paste this. Change marketing to engineering. And then we are going to print this. So now we have max salary of marketing and the max salary of engineering department, right? But we do not have to print these two salaries. We have to subtract these two salaries. So instead of using this comma, I'm using the subtract sign. Okay. So now let's print this. So we are getting 2400. Let's name this something as salary difference. Okay. Now let's print this. Okay. Now, how we are going to see whether our output is correct or not? First thing is you can click on check solution. It is going to give you the answer, whether it is correct or not. We are going to do that later. But here also, there are two things provided. One is hence and second is expected output. So in the expected output section, you can see what is the output that what you have to print. So if I'm going to click on expected output, you can see it is 2400, which is matching to our output. Okay. One thing we are missing here, we are getting the right output, but still we have to mention one more thing. If you see, it is mentioned that we have to print absolute salary. That is, what if someone is going to write engineering here and marketing here? Then the salary is going to be negative. We do not want to print negative salary. So we are going to take absolute value of that. So we just have to use absolute. And then we are going to print this. And then salary difference is 2400. Now let's check the solution. Okay. We are getting some error. Okay, so we have to remove this, I think. Let's print this and check this. Okay, so our solution is accepted. So this is how we have solved this first question. I think you have understood this. If you have any more solution to this, you can put it down in the comment section. I'll definitely look into it. And if you have more questions, you can put that too in comment section. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.